Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics fast. Charge above 20% and dry your finger so the sensor reads cleanly. Once done, open Settings, choose Passwords and Security, and tap Fingerprint Unlock. This is where the system collects biometric data. You do this now because the phone needs active screen and permission prompts. When prompted, set or confirm a PIN, pattern, or password. This backup protects you if the sensor fails. Now accept prompts and continue to. You will place your finger on the fingerprint sensor area and hold briefly. Lift and reposition as the progress indicator fills. Make sure to capture different parts of the pad, side, tip, and base, so the phone recognizes partial touches. While doing this, keep your hand steady and let the phone vibrate to confirm each read. Once the on-screen progress approaches complete, the system may ask for more angles. Follow prompts until it registers 100% enrollment. You finish by enabling Fingerprint Unlock for screen and optionally for app lock or payments, then immediately test unlocking twice to confirm reliability. If it works, add a second finger to prevent lockouts. If the sensor fails, clean the reader with a dry cloth and re-enroll the finger, because dirt or moisture prevents accurate reads. Make sure software is updated, and if problems persist, reboot the phone or remove the fingerprint and start a fresh enrollment to resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.